This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Allison Sims. All brick/vinyl siding 3-bedroom 2-bath home. Entire house has new engineered hardwood flooring installed in 2022. Interior freshly painted in 2022. Kitchen features all new stainless steel appliances. Tons of cabinet and countertop space featuring a large island offering plenty of seating. Breakfast room and formal dining room. Salon bath with jacuzzi tub and walk-in shower. Some plantation blinds. Lots of updated light fixtures. Refrigerator remains. Use showing time to set appointments. Seller is owner/agent. For more information, review the details below or contact Allison Sims at 901-861-4808.